Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on how to add and edit HTML in your WordPress page or post. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress dashboard and make the necessary code edits with ease. We begin by opening your web browser and going to WordPress. This step lays the foundation for everything that follows, so ensure that you are using a reliable internet connection and that your browser is up to date for the best experience. Once you have arrived at the WordPress homepage, the next action is to locate the login option on the top right corner of the screen. This login button is typically easy to find, and clicking on it will take you to the secure login portal. Once there, you have a couple of options for signing in. For this tutorial, you will use the option to continue with a popular account provider, namely Google. Choosing this option simplifies the process as it links your existing account credentials with WordPress. After clicking the login button, expect to see a prompt to continue with Google. When you select this option, a list of your available Google accounts will be displayed for you to choose from. Simply select the account you wish to use for logging into WordPress. By choosing your preferred account, you streamline access to your WordPress site, as everything is managed under your chosen account credentials. Once logged in successfully, direct your attention to the section identified as Quick Links within your WordPress dashboard. Within Quick Links, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. This feature is a critical tool that allows you to modify the content and code of your pages or posts. Clicking on Edit Site takes you into a more advanced mode of customization and opens up the editing interface for your website. In the advanced editing interface, look towards the top right corner. Here you will notice three small icons arranged in the form of dots. Clicking on these dots reveals a menu that houses further options essential for deeper customization. One of the key options in this menu is the code editor. The code editor is specifically designed to allow you to add and edit HTML code directly within your website's layout. Once you have accessed this option by clicking the three dots, select the code editor to open it. With the code editor open, you now have full control over adding or modifying HTML code on your site. This powerful tool lets you make changes directly to your website's structure and design. It is a great way to implement specific HTML enhancements that may not be available through WordPress's standard visual editor. As you work within the code editor, remember to save any changes periodically. This practice prevents any accidental loss of work and ensures that your website reflects the edits as intended. By following these steps, you have now learned how to access and use the code editor in WordPress to add or edit HTML code. This straightforward process not only gives you more flexibility in customizing your website, but also deepens your overall understanding of how WordPress works behind the scenes. Enjoy the newfound power of editing your site's HTML code to create a website that truly aligns with your vision.